Hello, beautiful people. This is Margie. I hope you are doing well. I know I haven't shared my video for a while, but this weekend, for the Valentine's Day weekend, I feel like it's the perfect moment to come here, say hello, see how you're doing, and also keep you informed of all the little steps that I am taking just as I'm navigating that single life. How are you doing? And I know for some, this Valentine's Day weekend might be a difficult time because you know what? You feel yourself single and you see your friends going out with their partner, their significant other, and you are navigating that single life and you're like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? But I just come here to remind you that you matter. I just come here to remind you that all that love that you have, pour it towards yourself. Take yourself out. Do the little things. Enjoy a walk. Enjoy a cup of coffee. Do little things that truly matter for you. Like, for instance, for me, Friday night, I got dressed and I took myself out. I went, I enjoyed a beautiful dinner. And you know, the most important thing, I didn't even take any pictures because I felt like it was my time with myself. So I put the phone away. I enjoyed the place where I was sitting. I enjoyed my dinner. I enjoyed my meal. I had a wonderful time. It's just a season. You are single. Don't waste your time. Don't miss your current moment because you are thinking, how long am I going to stay single? When am I going to meet the right person? Just enjoy life. You are single. Hey, so what? You are single, but you have you. You have the best person that you can love. You have the best person that can love you back, which is yourself. So just do the little things that you enjoy as you are waiting for to meet the right person. Just know that you matter. You can do all the stuff that you want to do with someone else by yourself, and as a matter of fact, you might enjoy it the most. And like for me, as I said, like I always like to go out. I always like to enjoy a beautiful dinner. So I do that. I come home, I set up my table, I make myself dinner as well. And the same attention, the same thing I would do for someone else, I'm doing it for myself because I matter. And as I said, that's the reason why I feel like this weekend it's a particular it's particular, it's special, and I have to come to let you know that life is still beautiful. I'm still enjoying this peaceful life, and it is great. And as far as overall progress, as I told you in December, I completed my course. Now all my afternoon is for me. After work, I have time. I am back into reading because it's something that I truly enjoy, and because I was taking classes, I couldn't do that. So I am back into reading. After work, I sit outside, and there are some nights when it's beautiful. I have a glass of wine. I enjoy it. I have time to reach out to my friends. I still go to dance salsa because this is something that has helped me when I was going through the divorce. I still enjoy it. I have my friends. I go for a walk. I read, as I said, I walk, I am more present. And one thing that I can tell you, I am fully present in anything and everything that I'm doing. And that's what I said, you know what, let me just come and check on you and see how you're doing and remind you that you matter. It might be a difficult season. I'm not saying it's not difficult, but you can do it. You can enjoy all the little things. You can make sure that you go out with your friends or you go out by yourself. Enjoy your house, enjoy your space, enjoy your time. You matter. Pour all that love towards yourself. Be content in your current situation. Be joyful. Enjoy your current moment. And when the time is right, the right person will come into your life. just know that I am there. I am still enjoying everything. I am still single, but I am peaceful. I am at peace. I am content. I walk, I smile, I do everything that I feel like that I deserve to do, and I make sure I enjoy everything. And like for instance, as I told you, I went out on Friday. The weekend prior, my friends and I, we had a beautiful Valentine's Day. We enjoy each other. We celebrate friendship. We celebrate love, and it's beautiful. And for me, as I said, I am still enjoying that journey. Um, I don't know. As I said, I told you before, I am not sure if I even really want to put myself out there. But right now, one thing I know for sure is I am content in my current situation. I am enjoying life. I do everything by myself, and it's beautiful. Except I have to be honest with you, except putting my jewelry. I have a hard time when my daughter is not here to put my jewelry, and that's the only thing that is like, that it's the only thing that it's making life difficult at times. It's a small problem, right? So what? But just make sure you enjoy all the little things. It can be difficult. I'm not saying it's easy, but if you are fully present in whatever you are doing, if you make sure whatever you are doing, you are enjoying it, if you make sure that you are content in your current situation, it will be okay. It is not an easy life to be single, but when you learn to enjoy everything, when you learn to be content, this life, it's worth living. And I can tell you, I am there. I am still single, and right now it's an empty nester. I am an empty nester because my older daughter moved out and my younger one is in college. So it's just me. After work, I make sure that I enjoy my space. I make sure that whatever I do, I put all the love in it, and I can tell you I got that back. So you are not alone. I didn't want to let the weekend of Valentine go by and not to come here and say, hey, how you doing? And also make sure to let you know that you matter, that you are a beautiful person, that you can do it, and also just remind you that you are loved. You are loved. You are loved by your friends. You are loved by your family. And just look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, I love you. And because you know what? You matter, because you have all that love that you are going to pour to someone. But it is very important that you love yourself first, that you give yourself all that love, that you give yourself all that attention, and then you can go out and then send that love to others. So I will talk to you next time. And as I said, I'm enjoying cooking. I'm enjoying setting my table. And I have shared a few videos with you. And I'm going to continue to do that. And as I said, every now and then, I will come and I will stop by and see how you're doing. And just share the journey with you. Just share my steps with you. Because I have done it the past year. It has helped me to share my story with you. So I hope you as well, you're going to help someone, you're going to share your story, and you're going to give someone else the courage to keep moving on. So until next time, be nice. Until next time, stay blessed. I love you, and remember to tell yourself how much you love yourself. I will talk to you next time.